Hi, welcome to Julia's Broderie. I'm adding a new stitch this month called Feather Stitch. You can see I've done an example of it here. This is a nice stitch that you could use to put on borders, or perhaps it's climbing up a trellis or something like that. I think you'll be seeing this stitch next year in my new subscription. So you're going to come up here, call this point A if you like, and then you're going to go back down. It's a little bit like a fly stitch to start with. And you're going to come up. So you're kind of making a triangle and you pull that through. But then instead of closing it off, you're going to go over here. And then you're going to come up here. And then you're going to go over here. So basically you're alternating each time which side you go to. And you're just creating one continuous. You're not, instead of closing it off each time with a fly stitch, you're using the next stitch to keep it going. See how it's continuing along. Oops. My thread's getting a little short because I did the example one first. Then we're going to come over here. And I chose this one because I'm going to keep building on it because there's different kinds of feather stitch. You can do this kind, you can do a closed feather, you can do double feather, and there's even something called a chained feather. So I'm going to keep building on those each month now. So if you've liked this one, be sure to watch the next few months because it's going to build on how you can make this, do variations on this stitch. So to close off, you would just finish it off like you do with a fly stitch like that. And I used 2 strands of thread just then, but you could do one. You could do more, I guess, but it just become thicker and thicker. So that's Feather Stitch. Hope you've enjoyed that one.